In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wix Error 429 step by step, even if you're seeing this issue repeatedly and don't know why it keeps happening. Wix Error 429 usually means too many requests in a short period of time, and it can happen when you're working fast inside the Wix dashboard, using multiple tabs, automation tools, or even a VPN. The good news is, this error is usually easy to fix once you know what to do. I'll walk you through every step in a simple way so you can get back to editing your site without stress. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, the most important thing to do when you see Wix Error 429 is to stop and wait. I know it sounds simple, but this error is often triggered because Wix temporarily rate limits your account when too many actions happen too quickly. So instead of refreshing the page over and over, stop clicking, wait for about 5 to 10 minutes, and let the limit reset. In many cases, the error will clear itself just by giving Wix a little time. Next, close any extra Wix tabs you have open. If you're like most users, you might have multiple Wix dashboard tabs open at the same time while editing different pages, apps, or settings. Having too many active sessions can trigger Error 429. Close all Wix-related tabs except one, and then refresh that single tab. This reduces the number of requests being sent to Wix at the same time. Step 3 is to log out of Wix and then log back in. Logging out completely resets your session and can clear temporary issues tied to your account. To do this, click your profile icon, log out, close the browser, reopen it, and then sign back into Wix. Once you're back in, try accessing the page or feature that was showing the error. Step 4 is to turn off any VPN or proxy you might be using. VPNs and proxies can cause Wix to see your activity as suspicious or coming from shared IP addresses, which increases the chances of hitting a rate limit. Temporarily disable your VPN or proxy, then reload the Wix dashboard and check if the error is gone. This step alone fixes the issue for a lot of users. Step 5 is to try using Incognito mode or a different browser. Sometimes browser extensions, cache data, or cookies can interfere with Wix and cause repeated errors. Open an incognito or private window, log into Wix there, and see if the dashboard loads normally. You can also try switching to another browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, to rule out browser-specific issues. Finally, reduce automation or rapid actions inside Wix. If you're using automations, bulk edits, or making very fast repeated changes, Wix may temporarily block requests to protect their system. Slow down your actions, avoid bulk updates for a while, and space out your edits. This helps prevent Error 429 from triggering again in the future. Once you've gone through these steps, Wix Error 429 should be resolved, and you should be able to continue working on your site normally. If this video helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials, website fixes, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.